Hello, good afternoon, Tribuners. Welcome back with me, Kustul Ashefah, in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is the cry of the father broke when he received the Joshua Brigadier Diploma. The graduation ceremony for Brigadier Nofriansyah Yosua Huta Barat or Brigadier J at the Jakarta Urban University when he taught today on the Tuesday 23, 2022. Brigadier J was the super to graduate as a law grad at the law faculty of the Open University. However, Brigadier J died after being shot and the incident resident the Inspector General Ferdi Sambo. Brigadier J graduated in the April 2022 with a cumulative graduate point of 3.28. Previously, Brigadier J father said the family went to attend a graduate ceremony. Summarized by Tribunnews.com, here the fact of Brigadier J's graduation ceremony. The handoff of the diploma to Brigadier J was represented by his father Samuel Huta Barat, based on observation of the wartakotalife.com. Activist Irma Huta Barat and Opung Brigadier J was also parent the graduation ceremony. As reported by the Warta Kota, father could held the bat cry when received the late son's diploma. Infinity and Samuel Huta Barat come to the stage to take diploma that Sun had not yet taken. When receiving the diploma, Samuel Huta Barat did not stop crying as Brigadier J's father stopped onto in podium. The applause that the thousands of the students received, a previously report by Tribunnews.com. Brigadier J's graduate process was also accompanied by the meaningful Batak song. At the time, Brigadier J's father came to podium to receive award and diploma to launching moment broke with a Batak song titled Anakku Pujaanku was played in the Open University Conversation Center building. Samuel, accompanied by the Huta Barat, received the appreciations given by the chancellors of the Open University, Professor Ojat Dorjat. The song was sung by the Irma with the Brigadier J's Opung Sinambela. The next news is Berdilings against struggle to detain Ferdes in the Muntok. A Berdilling service adjacent to the Jenderal Sudirman Road, Kampung Jawa, Muntok District, West Bangka Regasi, became a victim found on the Monday, 2022 in the morning. The perpetrator was the crime surveillance camera on the CCTV location where the carried out his action. The perpetrators trying to escape after trading the Berdilling adjacent to 20 million, and the victim Ulfa, 20 years old, was on duty in the time, prevent the perpetrators from escaping. However, he badly pushed the Ulfa was trimmed by the perpetrators facing up to 50 meters. Ulfa suffering injury the knee in this. Ulfa was assisted by the local resident to leave himself while lying into the giveaway. hiked after trying to impact and pre-predators, and the pre-predators managed to escape, according to the ULFA. At the time, the pre-predators come to the building again and said want to do 6 online shopping transactions with a different amount and names of destination. After the third transaction, he asked the perpetrators to give the transfers of money worth to 9 million. And however, the perpetrators did not have in this. The perpetrators even asked another transaction and Ulfa said he could. Ulfa said during the fourth transaction, the perpetrator asked 10 million. However, because he's bound to it up, it's not transferred, and however, perpetrator asked how much balance 3 was. After transaction was complete, perpetrators had the time to call one of the point, and perpetrators said, "Yes, sir, there is still no balance." Suddenly, perpetrators badly come out and cut back inside of the show. Ulfa immediately cast after him and perpetrator asked how to totally was. The perpetrator began to panic when Ulfa asked to the money. The suspect immediately took a motorbike and ran away. As a result of incident, Ulfa suffered an absurd in right knee and was traumatized by shaking her body. The next news is, youth in the Aru Island and kill a 9-year-old child. Suspect of the such a child murder, the Aru Island faced up to 50 years in prison. This was confirmed Friday by the Aru Island Police. Chief Adjutant Senior Commissioner of the Police Dwi Bahtiarival in the press conference first of the Resort Police headquarters on the Monday, 22 Agustus 2022. The police have said a suspect with the initial OK was charged with Article 81 in the conjunction with Article 76 D or the Article 80, paragraph 3 in conjunction with Article 66 C of the Law Number 35/2005 there. Regarding amendment to Law Number 28 of the 2022 concerning child protection and Article 12 of the Law Number 12 of 2022 considering criminal acts of the sexual violence. He said investigator will investigating and the suspect repeatedly the persist a suspect in the rape of murder minor less than 10 hours after reporting. The suspect, a resident of the Aru Island sub-district, was arrested in the city part of the Marpali Wangel village. The 22-year-old man is the first man who was arrested because is suspect of having forced and killed CBL-19 who was in neighbor on Sunday 21, 2022. The next news is, the perpetrator of the deadly robbery kills the teenager in Crocodile PLT apologized. Agus Sutiawan, 23 years old, a suspect in the deadly brawl on the Albido 2 route, Lubang Buaya Cipayung, East Jakarta, only boarded his son when he admitted his action. Agus admitted action together with the 3 suspects attacked the fight team Amha, 16 years old, due to using sharp weapon in the brawl on the Saturday, 20 Augustus 2022 at town in Tobrong, Agus. Agus was badly in actor, a deadly Brown, apologized for his action. The MH family and the story was ready to undergo the legal process. He admitted that the member of the Boys Ready to Come gang bosom argue of the fight with the group with the victim and Bridges gang in the spot knows because they were attacked in first. Meanwhile, based on the result of the investigation by the Criminal Investigation Unit, the Cipayung police, on the night of the incident, the perpetrators had prepared a number shot weapon to cry out in the brawl. The motivated was only seek popularity, and so when the whistle brought in the fighting group and they time to brood live via gang bombs' social media account. Based on the result, an investigation by the Criminal Investigation Unit of the Cipayung Police, there are suspended to the case of the fight in the doubly 2 meters of the initial ER and GP, as well as Agung Setiawan and Faisal, who were to the main suspect in the case, but Faisal, who carries a weapon in the perpetrators, is still at large and being questioned. The perpetrators are alleged in the Article 18, Paragraph 3 of Law Number 35 of 2015, considering child protection, sub-article 1, paragraph 3, or the Criminal Code sub-article, paragraph 3 of the Criminal Code, and article 5050 of the Criminal Code. They are charged with spending youth in the prison because of fast 30 years in prison for the beating MH to death. The next news is, farmer in the Gresik confident in wanting their mango product to have a name. When President Joko Widodo or Jokowi visited to the Gresik, East Java, farmers in the Gresik had the opportunity to chat with the President at some locations in the mango plantations area, Pancengan District, Gresik on the Monday. Sitting with the number 1 person in the Indonesia, Minister of the Agriculture Syahrul Yassin Limpo, Minister of the Basuki Hamdi Muljono, Governor of the East Java, Kofifa Indra Prawansa, and region of the Gresik and Ahmad Yani, mango farmers expressed their complaints. They said that they want to be helped, so and the Gresik mango could not name like mangoes of the other regions. They are quite of the mangoes product in the Gedanga village, mango with a grade A quality, are sold in a price 13,000 per kilograms, if their quality is below to the price of the 18,000. This view different during the harvest season and the mango sorry in the Krabi. Even 2,000 kilograms purchased in the rich harvest season is expected to ever come. So far, there's coming domestic market in the Jakarta of the Bandung. There is not to see and others another reside Sudoro also as president. President Joko Widodo helped to their mangoes can be marketed more widely, like a mango in other cities that lately have only in markets. According to the President Jokowi, mangoes in the Gresik Regency are well organized and however hope like there's quality control assistant to the ensure product quality in accordance with the standard set by buyers. The next news is, 2 men from North Sumatra died by the drowning while looking for a cell. Two people looking for the selfies in the Muara area of the Padang Datar village, Karawang Sabawai district, Aceh Jaya, were found is dead. The two identified as Miwarding, 42 years old, and Miswanto, 45 years old, a resident of the Maban, Hili, Medan Daily, North Sumatra. Aceh Jaya Police Safe Adjutant to the Police Safe Commissioner Yudi Willianto talked to Krangis Sabe, Police Inspector to Firman said that the two report missing and drowned in the Sunday afternoon. After receiving information about the drowned, resident party together with the joint team and procedure risk team until 2 p.m. The victim of number of the missed word and the died. He referred to the court of the number victim new to the able swim are looking herself as. Firman dead and revert to the location with further ado. The victim badly want to shoot unlucky with incident occurred. And series without the level reaching 3 meters only, but undrowned. According to him, at the time the incident is where a resident at the scan, but that is really due to physical factor of the Monday around 9 a.m. at the joint team again. Manager to the find second victim. The second victim himself was found in the location was previously missing. The two victims badly evacuated and the Tuku Umar Hospital, Calang, before finally being picked up by the family and be taken back to the further home in North Sumatra. And the last news is, Yusuf Lover investigating allegation of the third resident house in Simprogum go to the internal burner. The rival of the National Police Forensic Laboratory Center, Barreskrim, or the police to the location of the fire on the Simpang Grogol 2 route, Sud Grogol Kebayoran Lama, Sud Jakarta. Not only expanded the crime scan. The police is investigating allegation in negligence international glaciers in incident with the scored the resident houses. In this employed head of the Laka Bakar Pulsabar in the Habritis at the fire scan on the Monday. If a linked criminal act in the fire incident Habritus at the party will head over investigation process to the Kebayoran Lama Police. The crime scan investigation by the forensic laboratory crime in the forum in the 8 p.m. The floor report in team create a paper bag containing a number of files for the fire scan on the Simplung Golf 2 route, Sud Grogol, Kebayoran Lama, Sud Jakarta on the Monday. According to the Tribune.com, which is closest of 4 people, focused on the camping house of the resident who were a first caught fire or the become to search of the fire. The ask of resident for information and the record in the small notebook. Well, I think all the news for today with me Kusnul Ashaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.